Please welcome Chairman of the Board of Management at Škoda Auto, Bernhard Meyer.
Welcome to the world premiere of the new Škoda Octavia to detail. And this is the moment now to clear the stage for our new Škoda Octavia. Ladies and gentlemen, long awaited by you, much desired by us. Now it's here, the all-new Škoda Octavia. Isn't it a great car? A true piece of art that fits perfectly like a second skin? It stands for the typical Škoda, smart understatement. In other words, it's the choice for the commuters, the family, and for all of us who just enjoy driving as much as I do. The new Octavia will give you the peace of mind in all possible driving situations. With the new Octavia, we are turning over a new leaf in the success story of our icon. We are not only electrifying our Škoda cars, but just as well digitalizing the whole company and our products. The development team around Christian Strube made a wonderful job. And as I know, this moment of birth is a heart-beating one for the entire Škoda family. And I'm extremely delighted to present this car to you tonight, ladies and gentlemen. And now, our board member for technical development, Christian Strube, and chief designer, Oliver Stefani, will now take you through the highlights of this new Octavia. Before then, Alain Favé, our board member for sales and marketing, gives you an insight of our future marketing approach.
Yes, it was the 8th model in the new automotive era after 1945. Since then, 6.5 million Octavias have been delivered. 6.5 million. In 2018, the Octavia contributed 31% of Škoda's total global production. And today, we are introducing the fourth generation. This is, believe me, a very huge responsibility for me, but also for my whole team. And very emotional and typical Škoda, crystalline, but also sculptured and timeless. Sustainability has a very high priority for us. We offer mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, CNG drive, and the latest generation of engines. And we have reduced the drag coefficient by, again, 14%. We offer many new technologies, new assistance systems such as Travel Assist 2.0 and Predictive ACC, which increase comfort and safety enormously. Value for money and simply clever ideas. In addition to our many hardware, simply clever ideas, we are translating now this motto into the digital world. A 100% customizable home display and your personal vehicle configuration can be saved with a pin. If you look at this car, you can feel its strong personal character.
Well, yes, Christian, I have to say, this car is really, again, a class of its own. We worked on this project very carefully, but with passion, and always trying to push the limits. And I can tell you, we are very, very proud of this fantastic-looking car. And I think everybody can already feel the substance of this car. We create this distinctive Octavia look. Look at this dynamic and elegant side view. You immediately feel the difference. The long bonnet, the dynamic greenhouse, and the short rear deck making the car very fluent and elegant. The Škoda typical character line and the crystalline window graphic creating the unique character of the Octavia. And the body side is generally sculptured, and the relation between the wheels that goes up to 19-inch and the body are just perfect. Thank you for this, Christian.
For the big wheels.
Yeah.
If a Škoda comes down the street, you can see immediately this is a Škoda. Tell me our secret.
Well, let's look at the front. Brand identity is very important to us. We want that you recognize a car from a long distance as a Škoda. And this identity comes from the connection of the power dome with the logo and the grille. And together with the full matrix headlights, these elements create the Škoda face. And the grille on the Octavia is more upright and more proud than in any other Škoda. The lower part of the front makes the car look wide and sporty. Now, let's take a look at the rear. The rear of the car is almost coupe-like. Very elegant, very dynamic. The Škoda lettering is flanked by the razor-sharp full LED rear lights, and in the rear you find also a lot of aerodynamic features that are nicely integrated at the rear of the car, but also as the spoiler. And this makes also a good drag coefficient, but not that's the only one.
No, of course not. As I mentioned, we worked really hard on the aerodynamic, and for instance, an intelligent cooling system, optimized underbody paneling, and more resistance-optimized wheels. Also in the interior, we make a very big step. We offer brand new technologies, such as a digital cockpit with two 10-inch displays, this windshield head-up display, and shift-by-wire. And shift-by-wire and all this together gave you many more opportunities to create the car.
Yes, the new televisions in the interior gave us a lot of freedom and a lot of opportunities. One was the integration of this big 10-inch screen in the middle of the dashboard. The interior architecture was inspired by the bonnet of the car, so we bring the screen in the best possible position, so it's visible and reachable as well as from the driver's seat as from the passenger seat, and we call this the democratic approach of Škoda. Our interior is also symmetric, and by stretching the air vents into the doors, it gives this spacious Škoda feeling. The dashboard is made of different layers of surfaces and sophisticated materials to give some kind of lightness to it. And by having shift-by-wire and electric parking brake, we can also offer much more storage room in the center console, which is also typical Škoda. And last but not at least, we also have a new two-spoke steering wheel that underlines the discrete perfection of the Octavia interior.
And in this moment, I would like to say thank you very much to the whole team in Lada Boleslav, Scala, Karmic, and Octavia. Within 1 year, this was an incredible job, and this is an incredible job. Thank you very much.
You've learned a lot about the new Octavia now. So, what makes this car so special? Well, in addition to its stunning design and all the features you have just discovered, for me, the most striking thing about this car is how it embodies the spirit, the soul of Škoda as a brand. Indeed, Škoda is a modern brand that embraces the latest trends in the market. The Octavia Combi, the best-selling estate in Europe, is the absolute benchmark in its category. Well, the bar has now just been raised, not only regarding great design and technology, but also in terms of improved interior space, the most important feature for estate car owners. Yes, SUVs are very popular, but they cannot beat the Octavia Combi in terms of spaciousness, comfort, fuel economy, or CO2 emissions. And well, we're happy to inform company car owners and drivers that thanks to improved aerodynamics, new engines, hybrid technology, and more, the total cost of ownership for the new Octavia will be significantly lower than it is today. And in fact, we expect these running costs to be the best in class. The spirit of the new Octavia will be also central to all of our communications.
Can you be a bit more quiet, please?
I'm with the band.
Yeah, but I've got to study.
All right.
Not funny.
Škoda. Simply clever.
The new Octavia has to be a space where they can be themselves, where they can live their life as they wish. Be this with their family, with friends, with their dog, or whatever they need to enjoy life, like drums, for example. Or be it simply enjoying some time on their own, singing out loud whilst driving. The Octavia makes it possible to live like you, whoever you are, and whatever you like to do.
Dear guests, the new Octavia is revealed, the legend continues. Thank you all for sharing this very special moment with us. Thanks for joining this event. We wish you a nice evening. Bye-bye.